What up, what up? Yeah, my stuff came in. Yep, Sweetwater. Yep, I'm about to eat before anything. Well, first I'm gonna unbox for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Let's go see what Sweetwater done sent me. First of all, I am unboxing. I've only cut it. I haven't got all the way. As you can see, that's still intact. So, there we go. Just rip that bitch open. Oh! So here's the first actual opening of this product. Still, see, still sealed. Alright. Ta-da! As you can see, I already see the Apollo. First thing I see. So, let's see. Thank you from Sweetwater. All the information they sent you, all the packets. And thank you, I guess, registration and my order, receipts and stuff. Guitar tuning. Oh, I might need that. Check that out later. Well, as you can see already behind it, you see my bluebird coming out the egg. I'll be back.